Oh my gosh, I'm so tired. I just want to go home.
Oh, her shift is over. Let me go and tell her. Hey, Rhea, your shift is over. You can clock out now.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Yes, OMG, let's go. Okay, so I'm gonna change my clothes and head out. Okay, so this is the outfit I'm wearing. It's super cute and comfy. All right, now I'm gonna take off this silly hat or whatever it is. Now I'm gonna take my umbrella and head out. Yay! I'm finally home. Also, guys, don't mind the fact that I have 2 umbrellas. I have 2, because they're just cute. Oh, guys, this is my cat Luna, isn't she? So cute and adorable. Okay, guys, so now I'm gonna take a nice warm bath. Now I'm all done with my bath. I'm just gonna put on my robe and do my skincare. Now I'm gonna put on some serum. Alright, so now I'm done, and I'm just gonna put on my PJs. So these are my PJs. I'm in love with the set. It's so cute. I look cute. But now I'm gonna go do the laundry. Okay, so while the clothes are washing, I'm gonna give Luna some food. Luna, here, eat your food. Okay, guys, so I made myself dinner and I have some eggs, a sandwich, and some juice. I'm gonna go and eat while watching TV.
Hey Mom, I'm here. You were calling me? Finally. Look who decided to grace us with their presents. Okay, what did I do now? What did you do now? How long ago did I call you downstairs? 10 minutes ago, maybe? Exactly. And you still wait outside me? That weather is more than enough to freeze your food into frozen.
I just finished eating and I'm gonna go to my room. Okay, guys, so I don't know what to do, so I'm just gonna journal. I just finished journaling and now I'm gonna head to bed.